If you have drank the Kaveri water, you should speak Kannada. This is a very famous saying. I'm going to share the 5 benefits of speaking Kannada language. It can be any language, any city language that you moved in and you want to speak that language. What are the benefits? Let's check it out. Namaste, hello, Namaskara. Namaskara? Namaskara is Kannada and Namaste is Hindi. It is not a big difference. It should be easy to speak Kannada, isn't it? Let's talk about 5 benefits of Kannada. Or it can be about any language. If you are in Bengali, what are the benefits of speaking Bengali? I'm talking about a non-Kannadiga or an outsider coming into Karnataka, or an outsider coming into Mumbai, or an outsider coming to any city or your place, or a person coming to Ladakh, that is my place. If they speak Ladakhi, what are the benefits? So this is a video attempt to encourage the people from outside of Karnataka to make an attempt, to make a genuine attempt to speak Kannada language, and there are 5 benefits that I am sharing with you. Before I share these benefits, I would like to share an experience. I did my schooling in Mysuru and I was in a hostel, and there were lots of boys from different parts of India, and there are boys from Karnataka as well. In the hostel, we used to play lots of Ladakhi songs and we used to dance to it. And it so happened one fine day, a 8 years old Kannada boy started singing Ladakhi song while he makes his bed in the wardrobe. My ear was like, it got me great joy. It got me great thrill hearing a non-Ladakhi boy speaking Kannada, singing Kannada. And that joy is very difficult to express. And I felt that rush of joy in me, and I understood the importance of speaking a native language. Or if an unfamiliar people speak your language, it gives a great joy to the person who is listening to it. So I thought I should speak Kannada. Of course, I have learned writing and reading Kannada from my teacher, but I must give the credit of my Kannada speaking to all the vegetable vendors that is around, or the tea shop guy or small shop, or the people that I meet on the road, and our dear brother auto driver wala, our favorite brother auto wala. I have learned quite a lot of Kannada conversation, speaking and interacting with them. So this is my personal experience, that when somebody speaks my native language, it gives me a great joy. And I think if I speak your native language, how happy you would be, isn't it? So with that thought, I thought I'll make this video. And number 1 benefit without much delay is, if you speak Kannada in Bangalore or any Karnataka state, district, your day-to-day activity would go very easily. For example, if you have a plumbing work to be done or an electric work, you call the uncle, you call the bhaiya, and then if you say it in Kannada, your work would be done more nicely. Or your day-to-day activities, if a cleaner auntie comes to your house, or you have to go to a nearby tea shop, or you have to get a Xerox done, or anything, or speaking to a cab wala, or speaking to a delivery boy, if you speak in Kannada, your day-to-day activities would go very smooth. And this small thing club will make your day a very easy day. So please speak Kannada. Number 2 benefits of speaking Kannada is, if you are traveling, you have more chances that your travel would go smooth. It would be trouble-free travel. For example, if you have to go to a railway station and you want to take an auto, and you speak to the auto bhaiya and you say, "Kitna hai bhaiya? How much is it?" He would think that this guy is too smart. Let me play my smartness. Instead of that, if you say, "Estu ana railway station ke bartira," you would feel very connected. So there is more chances that your travel will go smooth. And if you're traveling to Chikmagaluru or Mysuru or Hassan or different parts of Karnataka, if you speak Kannada, your travel is guaranteed that it will go much smoother, much peaceful and much calmer. And if you stop by a restaurant, if you want to order what you would like to eat, there is more chances. I was in Thailand and I have ordered something from the menu and I got something else. I thought it to be a sweet and it is something that is fried. So if you speak the native language in India or different states or in outside India, if you speak the language that is spoken in that particular place, there is more chances that you will get what you have ordered. So please speak Kannada so that you could have a smooth travel, okay, in the intercity or outside the city. And number 3, you could save immense money. You will save lots of money if you speak native language, or let's say in this scenario, if you speak Kannada, you will save lots of money. Now you must be interested in speaking and learning Kannada, isn't it? I don't mean you have to master Kannada. You have to just speak Chanagidira, Uta Aida, Yan Samachara, Namaskara. That's it. This is as simple as that. You have to learn few lines and slowly you are going to like it. So how are you going to save money? For example, you go to a hawker or a vegetable person or a fruit guy that is on the road and you say, how much is it bhaiya? Then he knows that this guy is not familiar. He's speaking outside language. So there is more chances that he is gonna quote you more money. Or it can be in the travel again. You say, Estu Anna, or if you say, Kitna lega bhaiya? You know that MG Road se Koramangala, Kitna lega bhaiya? If you say so, they know that this guy is not familiar to this place and they're gonna quote more. But instead of that, if you say the same thing in Kannada, there's more chances that you would get the right price. And it surely is gonna save lots of money. In fact, when you speak Kannada, in my scenario, even during the college days and even now when I get caught in the traffic jam or by a traffic police, then I say Namaskarana, Chanagidira, and Nanu Kannada matartini. Oh my goodness, the whole tone of the voice goes from here to here and he speaks nicely, and many a time I am off without paying the fine. So that is the advantage. And surely when I mean traffic police, surely you will save a good money. That is number 3. And the number 4 is you bond very deeply when you speak Kannada. Language is not about just the words. Language is a lot about emotion, feelings. When you learn Kannada, it is not just the language that you learn. You learn about the culture of Kannada, you learn the art of Kannada, you learn the history of Kannada, and more importantly, you understand the feeling and emotion of Kannadan people, the city that you live. Bangalore has a very beautiful climate. Why not make it even more beautiful by speaking Kannada? Again, my experience, I had many landlords, and there was one landlord where I used to stay. Their son was out and only the uncle and auntie was at home, and I speak Kannada and I used to listen to their long old stories, because of which I got lots of love. They used to treat me, they used to feed me, they used to cook for me, and sometimes when they need my help, I used to go and sleep with them and listen to their stories. So if you speak a local language, it's a great bonding. It's you sense a very deeper level of feelings and emotion. That is the 4th. And number 5 is, what is the number 5? Did I forget the number 5? I have a tendency to forget. Yanapa, martbita, illa. Number 5 is, when you speak Kannada, you get lots of appreciation and you get lots of respect when you speak Kannada. Why wouldn't I speak Kannada if I get lots of respect? And more importantly, you get lots of love when you speak Kannada. You try it out, learn few sentences, take Auto Bhaiya, our favorite Bhaiya, and then ask them, Estu Anna, Mantri Mol Bartira Anna, and see the smile on their face and the respect. And many a time, Ellipa, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Nepal-ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Nepal-ಇಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You have come from Nepal and speak Kannada? The joy and the surprise that they receive was to see. So try that, and not just with our favorite auto buyer. Anywhere at the workplace, you meet different people in a metro, any commute place, in the train, you speak to them in Kannada. They open up very much to you rather than you speak any different language. So try learning few words of Kannada, and you would be surprised with the benefits that you are going to receive. This is just 5 to count, but there are immense benefit. And one bonus benefit that I would like to share is I'm from Ladakh, and I have lots of friends who studied in Bangalore and Mysore, and who also speak Kannada. So when we are back in Ladakh, if we have to use the code language, and if you want to say something very sensitive something very thing, that we want to share with ourselves, but we don't want our parents or the friends sorry, please cut this one, Panaita. The code language, when we go to Ladakh and we have something that I want my friend to understand, but not my parents and the present whoever there in the conversation or relative not to understand, then we use the code words called as Kannada. Of course, when we play, in Ladakh we say hodiri jora hodiri pa side hodiri ikade hodiri. So like that we use Kannada as a code language in Ladakh. And I have seen many travelers from Bangalore and different cities, and when we speak their language, they connect and they trust us more. So it is a request that if you are watching this video and if you are in Bengal, speak little sweet Bengali. If you are in Odia, if you are in Andhra or Telangana, speak Telugu. And if you are in Tamil Nadu, speak Tamil. Tamil teriyama? Yes, you speak Tamil. And if you are in Kannada gotta? Kannada. So I hope this video was of some use to you, and it would inspire you to speak Kannada and eat Kannada, sleep Kannada. With this, please subscribe this video to encourage me, and please leave your comments on how the video is benefiting you, what I have to learn more about Karnataka and Karnataka people, and please don't forget to share with others. With this, it's pleasure talking to you. Vajira Dorjey, Namaskara.